Pointillism basically means art of expressing using dots. Okay, really patient. So today we are gonna see how much patience you guys are having. Okay, because it is all about dots. Okay, it's not about in shading. Usually we always tell, right, to apply more pressure, to apply less pressure, to get light tone. But here it is not about pressure. It is just about the amount of dots you put. Okay, so that is what. First I'll just give you a small glimpse of how to get a light tone, medium tone, and a dark tone, and then directly we'll go to the drawing. A very simple drawing, but if you do it patiently with full effort, it's going to look really amazing. Start. So before we start, okay, what I want you guys to do is, so take a pencil. So make 3 square boxes, okay, on the top. So here we are just going to make a small palette. Okay, so in painting and all, we first prepare a palette and then we use it, right? So same like this, just to show you how to get a dark tone, medium tone, light tone. Just make small, very tiny, small. Maybe if you're using a scale, you can make a 1 centimeter box. Okay, 3 box. I'm not going to use a scale or anything. You can make 3 boxes here. So first let me show you. Okay, so can you guys see the small box here? So like this, 3 small boxes you make. Okay, now I am going to show you how to apply the dots here. Okay, so in the first one we will make a dark tone, and in the second one we will make a medium tone, and in the third one we will make a light tone. Okay, so the method is very simple. If you want a dark tone, you apply more dots here. Okay, you make sure that the dots are very close to each other. In medium tone, the dots are going to be little bit scattered here and there. In light tone, it will be completely scattered here and there. Okay, yes, and for the drawing, we'll be taking a landscape today. Okay, it's going to be a really beautiful landscape. So start applying the dots very close to each other. Remember, don't the dots shouldn't touch each other. Okay, if the dots are touching each other, it will look like one huge dot. Okay, so try to leave at least a little bit of space and try to put the dots. So remember, once you apply the dots, immediately lift up. Don't keep the pen for there so long. Okay, if you're keeping the pen for so long, slowly it will start spreading. The ink will start spreading. So just apply the dot and lift the hands up very quickly. Now we'll go to the medium one. In the medium one, we're going to draw the dots a little bit scattered. Okay. Okay. Then the light tone. Light tone, the dots are going to be more scattered. So before we start, okay, we are going to make a small circle first. So if this is an A4 kind of paper, size of paper, just draw right in the middle of the paper. Okay, we're going to draw a medium size of circle. Okay, yeah, so I got my circle. Let's make some few trees. Okay, so this is going to be a forest scene. We are going to make a few trees. Okay, Okay, so draw till here. Okay, I have drawn the trees. Okay, so next what we are going to do is, on the background, just to give some good forest kind of effect, we are going to draw some birds on the top. Okay, so we are going to do it, so try to keep it inside the circle. Okay, so try to keep this thing inside the circle. Okay, so next step, what we are going to do is we are going to make the silhouettes. Okay, so I will tell you where all we are going to make the silhouettes. Okay, so we are going to make the silhouette for the bird and for the trees. Okay, and for the rest of the background of the forest, we are just going to do dots. Okay, so see how I'm going to do the silhouette first. Okay.
Okay.
You guys have done with the silhouette. So after you complete the silhouette part, the darkening everything part, even the bird also, now what we are going to do is, now we are going to do the pointillism part. So pointillism, how we are going to do is, so take the fine pen or the gel pen which you have. So we are going to do it like a gradient. Okay, so we are going to go with the gradient. How we'll do is, we are going to go from dark to light. So when you start from the stem part, this bottom part is going to be dark. So you know what is dark, right? It is right here. It's there in your paper also. So dark means this one. You're going to make the dots very closer to each other. So as you slowly go upwards, it's going to be light. So once you reach where the birds are, you don't have to shade the part. Okay, leave it white itself. Okay, till the stem, till the top of the branch, make it lighter. Okay, so it will go from dark somewhere till here, it will go dark, and slowly it will go to medium, and then you make it light. Okay, so you can watch me how I'm doing it.